Okay, so here's a quick story about how you can lose a lot of money real fast or even your vehicle. And the thing is, this car poured oil. I mean, it would go through a quart of oil in about 30 miles. It was really just leaking it. It wasn't burning it or anything. And, a while back, I changed the valve cover gasket on them for them. And, that had a bad leak. And one time before that, the owner had left the actual oil fill cap off and all come out of the hatch, splashing around and got all over the engine and everything. So he took it up to a mechanic in town. I don't want to give the name. And he told him about $2,000. Because I've basically stopped working on, these cars and stuff. And they told him his power steering pump was bad. Now keep in mind, it has nothing to do with the motor leaking. And he's gonna need another one. Well, this thing, if it's had oil and it's had it once, it's not a bad leak, even if it looks like it. But remember, this thing spattered oil out from here, all over everything. I've pressure washed it since a little bit. But, so that had oil on it. He told him several other things, but $2,000. And none of it had to do with the actual leak. It wasn't a rear engine seal. And yes, a rear engine seal would have took a lot of work, and the price would have been pretty high on that. But the other mechanic didn't think it was that. This is what it is. Your variable timing solenoid. And it's right here. And it was dripping from the seal. There's your seal. Had just gotten hard and it would drip, and I could barely see it through there under the bottom. Well, that was the problem. And here's the thing, this car, it's old, it's a 99, and you expect old cars to leak a little bit. After I put that back on there, this thing hasn't leaked a drop. It's almost makes you wonder what's going on, because you expect them to leak somewhere. But it's completely stopped. Now, if it gets a drop or two leak here in the near future, there again, that's expected on a car that's old. It's just knowing where it was. So if you've got a car that's pouring oil, it may not be a rear engine seal. It may be the solenoid. And the thing right beside it goes bad on them too, and you can get that changed. But my main point is the fact that a car that's heading to the scrapyard was actually an easy fix. And now they don't have to buy a new car.